Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to Real Speaking Pod. I am your host, Jack, and today I am going to share a very practical English practice with you. Our topic is cleaning and organizing my room. This is a simple topic, but it is full of useful everyday English. We clean, move, fold, wipe, throw away, and organize many things in real life. Take a slow breath, relax your shoulders. Now let us begin together. Cleaning and organizing a room means making the room neat, fresh, and easy to use. Clean means not dirty. Organize means put things in the right place. Neat means clean and in order. Messy means not clean or not organized. Many people feel better when their room is clean. A clean room can make the mind feel calmer. Calmer means less worried or less busy inside. A messy room can make the mind feel heavy because everything looks unfinished. Today, we will learn how to talk about cleaning and organizing a room in English. We will learn words for furniture, clothes, books, dust, trash, shelves, drawers, and simple actions. Furniture means things in a room, like a bed, chair, table, desk, and wardrobe. A wardrobe is a place where you keep clothes. A drawer is a box that slides in and out of a desk or cabinet. These words are very useful for home English. Let us begin with one simple sentence. I need to clean my room. Repeat it slowly. I need to clean my room. You can also say, my room is messy. My room needs cleaning. I should organize my room. I want my room to look better. I want my room to feel fresh. These sentences are useful because they explain the problem and the goal. The problem is a messy room. The goal is a clean and organized room. Practice these sentences. My room is messy today. There are clothes on the chair. There are books on the floor. There is dust on the table. Dust means very small dry dirt in the air or on things. There are papers everywhere. Everywhere means in many places. I need to clean. I need to organize. I need to put things away. Put away means move something to the correct place. These sentences help you describe a room before cleaning. Now, let us imagine a learner named Daniel. Daniel comes home after a busy week. His room is not very dirty, but it is messy. His bed is not made. Some clothes are on the chair. His English notebook is under a pillow. A pillow is something soft for your head when you sleep. There are cups on the desk and old papers near the door. Daniel looks around and says, I cannot think clearly in this room. I need to clean and organize it. At first, Daniel feels tired. Cleaning the whole room feels like a big job, but he remembers a simple rule: start small. He does not need to clean everything at once. At once means all at the same time. He says, I will start with one corner. This sentence is powerful. Powerful means strong and useful. When a task feels too big, one small corner is enough. Small action can create motivation. Motivation means energy to start or continue. Daniel opens the window first. Fresh air comes into the room. Fresh means clean and pleasant. Then he takes a trash bag. A trash bag is a bag for things you do not need. He picks up old papers, empty bottles, and small pieces of trash. Pick up means take something from the floor or another place. He throws the trash away. Throw away means put something in the trash because you do not need it. The room already looks a little better. Practice trash sentences. I am picking up trash. I am throwing away old papers. I am throwing away empty bottles. I am checking what I need and what I do not need. I am cleaning one small area. I am making progress. Progress means improvement. These sentences use present continuous. I am picking. I am throwing. After making the bed, Daniel looks at the clothes. Some clothes are clean, and some clothes are dirty. Dirty means not clean. He separates them. Separate means put things into different groups. Clean shirts go into the wardrobe. Dirty clothes go into the laundry basket. Laundry means clothes that need washing or have been washed. A laundry basket is a basket for clothes. Daniel says, I need to wash these clothes later. Practice clothes sentences. These clothes are clean. These clothes are dirty. I am separating clean clothes and dirty clothes. I am putting clean clothes in the wardrobe. I am putting dirty clothes in the laundry basket. I am folding my shirts. I am hanging my jacket. Hang means put something on a hook or hanger. A hanger is something used to hold clothes in a wardrobe. These words are very common at home. Now let us talk about organizing a desk. A desk is a table where you study, write, or work. Daniel's desk is full of things. There are pens, notebooks, receipts, chargers, and cups. A receipt is a small paper that shows what you bought. A charger gives power to a phone or computer. Daniel takes everything off the desk. Then he wipes the desk with a cloth. Wipe means clean. By moving a cloth over something, the desk becomes clean and smooth. Practice desk sentences. My desk is messy. I am taking things off the desk. I am wiping the desk. I am putting pens in a cup. I am putting notebooks in a pile. A pile is a group of things on top of each other. I am putting the charger in the drawer. I am throwing away old receipts. I want my desk to be clean because I study English here. These sentences connect cleaning with learning. Daniel finds his English notebook under the pillow and puts it on the desk. He smiles because he likes having a clean study place. When his desk is messy, he feels distracted. Distracted means unable to focus. When his desk is clean, he feels ready to learn. He says, "A clean desk helps me study better." You can also say, "A clean room helps me think better." "A neat space helps me feel calm." Now let us practice describing before and after. Before cleaning, my room was messy. After cleaning, my room looks neat. Before organizing, my desk was full of papers. After organizing, my desk looks clean. Before folding clothes, the chair was covered with shirts. Covered means something is on top of something. After folding clothes, the chair is empty. Empty means nothing is there. Before and after sentences are very helpful for telling a story. Daniel moves to the bookshelf. A bookshelf is a place where books stand. Some books are in the wrong order. Some books are on the floor. He puts English books together, story books together, and notebooks together. Together means in one group. He puts the books straight on the shelf. Then he looks at the shelf and feels happy. Organizing books helps him find things quickly. Quickly means fast. He says, "Now I can find my English book easily." Practice bookshelf sentences. I am organizing my books. I am putting English books together. I am putting notebooks together. I am putting books on the shelf. I am making the shelf neat. I can find my books easily now. Easily means without difficulty. These sentences are useful for students and anyone who reads. Organization saves time because you do not need to search for everything. Now, let us talk about dusting. Dusting means cleaning dust from things. Daniel takes a soft cloth and dusts the table, shelf, and window. The window has small marks on it. A mark is a small spot or line. He cleans the window carefully. Carefully means with attention. More light comes into the room. Light makes the room feel bigger and happier. Daniel says, "The room feels brighter now." Brighter means with more light. Practice dusting sentences. I am dusting the shelf. I am cleaning the window. I am wiping the table. I am removing dust. Remove means take something away. I am cleaning carefully. The room looks brighter. The air feels fresher. When you talk about cleaning, verbs are important. Wipe, dust, sweep, mop, fold, hang, organize, remove, arrange. Now let us talk about the floor. Daniel's floor has dust and small pieces of paper. He sweeps the floor with a broom. Sweep means clean the floor with a broom. A broom is a tool for sweeping. After sweeping, he mops the floor. Mop means clean the floor with water and a mop. A mop is a cleaning tool with a long handle. The floor becomes clean. Daniel waits for it to dry. Dry means not wet. He does not walk on the wet floor. Practice floor sentences. I am sweeping the floor. I am using a broom. I am picking up small papers. I am mopping the floor. The floor is wet. I will wait for it to dry. The floor is clean now. I feel satisfied. Satisfied means pleased because something is good enough. These sentences help you talk about common cleaning work. Now, let us talk about organizing small things. Small things can make a room look messy very quickly. Keys, coins, cables, papers, pens, medicine, glasses, and small boxes can spread everywhere. Spread means move or be in many places. Daniel puts small things into small containers. A container is a box or object that holds things. He puts keys in one small bowl. He puts cables in one drawer. He puts important papers in one folder. A folder holds papers. Practice organizing small things. I am putting keys in a bowl. I am putting cables in a drawer. I am putting papers in a folder. I am putting coins in a small box. I am keeping important things together. I am making everything easier to find. These sentences help you explain organization clearly. A good organized room is not only clean, it is easy to use. Now, let us talk about deciding what to keep. Keep means not throw away. Sometimes cleaning is difficult because we keep too many things. Daniel finds old papers, broken pens, and empty boxes. Broken means not working. He asks himself, do I need this? Do I use this? Does this help me? If the answer is no, he throws it away or puts it somewhere else. This makes the room lighter. Lighter means less heavy. Practice deciding sentences. I will keep this notebook. I will throw away this old paper. I do not need this empty box. This pen is broken. I will remove it. This book is useful. I will keep it. Useful means helpful. These sentences train decision-making in English. Decision-making means choosing what to do. Cleaning often includes many small decisions. Daniel now looks at the room again. The bed is neat. The desk is clean. The clothes are in the wardrobe. The books are on the shelf. The floor is clean. The window is bright. The room feels peaceful. Peaceful means calm and without stress. Daniel sits on the chair and smiles. He did not change his whole life. He only cleaned one room, but that one room changes his feeling. Sometimes a small space can affect the whole mind. Affect means change or influence. Now, let us practice feelings after cleaning. I feel calm, I feel proud, I feel fresh, I feel comfortable, I feel ready to study, I feel less stressed, I feel more focused. Focused means able to give attention to one thing. My room looks better. My mind feels clearer. Clearer means easier to understand or less confused. These sentences help you describe the result of cleaning. Cleaning is not only physical work. It can change your mood too. Now let us talk about routine. A routine is something you do regularly. If Daniel cleans only once a month, his room becomes very messy again. So he creates a small routine. Every morning, he makes his bed. Every evening, he puts clothes away. Every Saturday, he dusts the shelf and sweeps the floor. This routine is not difficult. It is small and regular. Regular means happening again and again. Small regular actions keep the room clean. Now let us build your cleaning sentence bank. My room is messy. I need to clean my room. I will start with one corner. I am picking up trash. I am making my bed. I am folding clothes. I am organizing my desk. I am wiping the table. I am dusting the shelf. I am sweeping the floor. I am mopping the floor. I am putting things away. My room looks neat. I feel proud. Now let us practice questions and answers. Is your room clean or messy? My room is a little messy. What do you need to clean first? I need to clean my desk first. Where are your clothes? My clothes are on the chair. What will you do with them? I will fold them and put them in the wardrobe. Where are your books? My books are on the floor. What will you do? I will put them on the shelf. Practice more answers. How often do you clean your room? I clean my room once a week. Do you like cleaning? I do not always like cleaning, but I like a clean room. What helps you start? I start with one small corner. What do you feel after cleaning? I feel calm, fresh, and proud. What is the hardest part? The hardest part is starting. Hardest means most difficult. What is the best part? The best part is seeing the room clean. Now let us practice a short speech. Repeat after me. Today I am cleaning and organizing my room. My room is messy, so I will start with one small corner. First, I will pick up trash. Then, I will make my bed. After that, I will fold my clothes and put them in the wardrobe. I will organize my desk, wipe the table, and sweep the floor. When my room is clean, I feel calm and ready to study. Now let us talk about motivation. Many people wait for motivation before cleaning. They say, I will clean when I feel ready, but sometimes motivation comes after you start. When Daniel picks up the first paper, he feels a little better. When he makes the bed, he feels more energy. When he wipes the desk, he feels ready to continue. Start small, and motivation can follow. This idea is useful for cleaning, English learning, and many parts of life. Practice motivation sentences. I do not need to finish everything today. I can start with one small action. I can clean for 10 minutes. I can make my bed first. I can organize one drawer. I can do a little now and more later. I am making progress. These sentences help when you feel tired or lazy. Lazy means not wanting to make effort. Be kind to yourself, but still take one small action. Now let us do final speaking practice. Answer these questions aloud. What part of your room is messy? What will you clean first? Where will you put your clothes? Where will you put your books? What will you throw away? What will you keep? How will your room look after cleaning? How will you feel after organizing your room? Pause when you need time. Answer simply. I will clean. I will put. I will feel. One helpful practice is the 10-minute room challenge. Challenge means something difficult that helps you grow. Set a timer for 10 minutes. Pick up trash, make your bed, fold clothes, and wipe one table. While you clean, speak English. Say, I am picking up trash, I am folding clothes, I am wiping the table. This makes cleaning become speaking practice. You clean your room and train your English at the same time. Remember, cleaning and organizing your room is more than housework. Housework means work you do at home, like cleaning, washing, and cooking. It can help your mind feel clear, your study feel easier, and your day feel more peaceful. Use English while you clean. Name the objects, say the actions, describe the changes. Talk about your feelings. A normal room can become a full English lesson if you describe it slowly and clearly. Before we finish, remember this. When you organize your room, you also give your mind a cleaner place to think, rest, and learn. Thank you for listening to Real Speaking Pod. I am Jack, and I am proud of you for practicing today. Keep listening, keep repeating, and keep learning English from everyday life. Your English voice is growing, one clean desk, one folded shirt, and one organized room at a time.